This is my honest review of Dyna-Living chocolate melting machine. In case you may consider buying it, I will leave a link in description for you to access it on Amazon. This chocolate melting machine has a double-cylinder design to meet your melting needs for different ingredients or to meet the business needs of the gourmet shop or snack bar, which can melt white chocolate and dark chocolate at the same time, making different desserts faster. It also heats evenly and quickly. This commercial chocolate tempering machine has a high power of 600 watts and with a U-shaped heating tube, which ensures faster and more uniform heating, allowing you to use it more efficiently. You should wear gloves to remove containers full of chocolate to avoid scalding from steam. Furthermore, it's made of high-quality materials. This chocolate tempering pot is made of 304 stainless steel. It is rust-resistant, heat-resistant, corrosion-resistant, safe and healthy, easy to clean. The inner wall of this chocolate melter pot is provided with the highest water level line to avoid water from overflowing the container, and the lowest water level line to avoid dry burning, which can better prolong the service life of this electric chocolate melting machine. Last but not least, this chocolate melting pot has melting and heating functions, which is very suitable for home use, cafe shop, restaurants, bakeries, chocolate shops to melt chocolate or cheese, heat cream, milk and make delicious desserts. Also can be used to heat handmade candles or beauty wax. If you love this, check out the link in description.